do it.
No, pick out which one you want to show them.
This one.
No. Say one.
The guns.
You gotta walk to it.
This is first time, so.
This is an AK. This is an AK-47.
Show the camera. What else you have?
We have this and shoot up the sky.
They're called Roman candles.
This is our Roman candles. And we have the explosion thing. They shoot up the sky.
In the sky.
In the sky. And we have this.
I don't even know what those are. I think they fly and spin. I think so. We haven't used them before, so.
Show the camera.
Oh, no, these do not fire. What are those? Is those sparkly?
No, they're still on the ground. They're like a wasp. Or a bee or something. I'm not sure.
This is the one that shoots the sparks outside. Like
It's open.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's just fun.
And we have this big sparkler. We have this explosion things.
He has it.
And we have this
These are called bottle rocks.
bottle rocks.
Either you put them in the ground or you put them like a bottle and light them up. You don't want to put them too deep in the ground though. They won't go anywhere. So, yeah, they shoot in the sky, sound like rockets, and then pop. No light though, just pop.
Oh, we have this. Oh, do look like a wasp.
And
We have
show them.
We have the spinny thing.
I guess they fly or just spin. I think you got to throw them up in the air. I don't think
We
you shoot on the
have
ground.
this.
You showed that already. We have these. They're called Black Label M150. You got M150s. They're basically dynamite, like these TNTs. Basically these, just way louder. Yeah.
And we have these things to shoot up the sky.
Oh, and we got some missiles.
Missiles.
Saturn missiles. Oh shoot. We got Saturn missiles. It say 50 Saturn missiles, 50 shots. I'm pretty sure that's not making this sound. Think so? Think so, Legend?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Go by your brother.
Come see. Say how much you pay for them. Like how much? Like how much you think you pay for them?
100.
Yeah. A bit over. A bit over 100. We're gonna go pop them. We're gonna record them. See y'all there.
A YouTuber chat. Hello guys, we're outside. Now if we do the fireworks now.
Light the stem.
Here we got the, what is it called?
No,
The
you can do it.
the garden in spring. We're about to light it. And now, in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, Tommy. And it's a sparkler, wow.
It's supposed to shoot up, that lady told me at the store.
I gotta get close to it then. Oh!
Gun.
And here we have the AK-47,
Alright,
And he's about to light it. Hold it to the
Be
thing.
safe. Stay still.
Let me just put the light into the.
Yeah, 'cause
Make sure everybody win. Bring up the room.
Get the light? Oh no.
no, that's because
Is the light in there?
let them stop moving, baby. There we go. Alright.
Oh, it's a sparkler. Oh dang.
That's for that ain't
Look. Whoa. You feel brave?
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't point it towards anyone. Remember, you keep it out away from people. Not just set it
How
on
was
the
that?
ground.
How was that?
Did you like
Here we got the TNT.
it,
Run.
big boy?
If they come my way, I'm. It hit my feet. It hurt. And here we're doing the sparkler now. I don't want to burn the mic because, as you can see, the lighting things are right there.
This thing so dang on thick.
It won't even light.
It's-
We're having a bit of firework difficulties.
I mean, we're almost. I thought it was almost there for a second. I think a little steam come. You don't want to.
Wait.
I see some. Oh, there we go. Hey, that took about what?
I'll have
About 2
to
minutes?
turn my exposure down.
I was gonna show them something.
All right, and here we're going to show y'all something. We're lighting another sparkler with another sparkler.
There it goes.
And now we have 2 sparklers. Hold on, wait, let me see. As you can see, I'm writing my name out. Getting hard. I don't write with my left hand. I write with my right, and I have the camera in my right. Now that we have 2 sparklers. Oh yeah, I kind of learned something new in the middle of the video, so. So now we could basically do a lot of stuff with this. You could swing it around. Not too much, or it's gonna go out. Probably, I don't know. You can have little sword fights. Move your thing. It's not gonna hit you.
You gotta be safe. You don't play with fireworks, guys. You pop them away from your friends.
My hand is kind of getting stiff after the end of the recording.
Alright, boy crew. This is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe and share and comment. And make sure you like the video. Bye.